My name's Bob Stout. I own First Automotive in Broadview Heights and our new location, First Automotive of Kent. I have instructed several master workshops. The one that I really enjoy doing is expanding your business. Since I just expanded our business into a second location, we are now an MSO. And also how to train your team. That's another great one that I really like teaching. I always had the desire to help others. It's just been me, and it's my character. In our communities that we're involved in, I've been involved with schools, community foundations. I was president of Rotary Club for 2 years. When our shop became stage 4, I was asked if I'd be interested in helping other shop owners, and my answer is, of course. I said, absolutely. One mistake I always see shop owners make, and I was guilty of this in the past myself, is when you start noticing changes in your key KPIs and you take a good look at them, whether they're good or bad. I mean, good or bad really doesn't make a difference. You should be watching them. They realize, and I realized in the past, the value of having the weekly meetings. Over time, they tend to diminish because we get busy in the shop, we get busy with other things, and we kind of let those go off to the wayside. So many times shop owners, including myself in the past, not so much anymore, have to be reminded how these meetings are so essential for maintaining communication in your shop. It is so crucial to consistently continue successful actions that you have in your shop. When you start seeing changes in your KPIs, that usually means that something has changed. And a lot of times that change leads back to successful actions that you were doing. So I always say, step back, take a look at what's changed, and go back to the actions that truly work, and keep those going. The big reward for me is that when I'm instructing a class, and actually one of the shop owners ask, what other classes am I teaching, and can they be part of it? That means the world to me. That means I am hitting home runs with it and helping them. Collaboration amongst other shop owners is invaluable to me. There's always an opportunity to learn from personal experience or those of others. The sense of fulfillment is derived from assisting other shop owners. It is immensely rewarding to me, not only personally, but also witnessing the success of others. It just means the world to me.